Do you understand English, but feel nervous when people speak fast? What if just 10 calm minutes a day could help you speak more clearly, listen with confidence, and stop feeling stressed about English? Today, we'll practice slow listening and shadowing, the same gentle method children use to learn language. No pressure. No grammar stress. Just listen, repeat, and grow with us here at Silver Narratives. Welcome to Silver Narratives, a calm place where you can learn English in a simple and comfortable way. Today, we will practice slow listening and shadowing together. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat what you hear. It is one of the best methods to improve listening and speaking at the same time. By the end of this practice, you will feel more confident listening to English at a natural speed. You may also notice that your pronunciation sounds clearer and smoother. This is a safe and relaxed space. No one is judging you. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's begin. First, let's understand slow listening and why it is so helpful. Slow listening means listening to English that is spoken clearly and not too fast. This gives your brain time to understand each word. It also gives your mouth time to copy the sounds. Many learners feel stressed when English sounds fast. This is completely normal. Slow listening removes that stress. It helps you focus on meaning, not speed. When you practice slow listening often, something beautiful happens. Your brain begins to notice patterns. You start to hear where words start and where they end. You notice the rhythm and music of English. This is how children learn their first language. They listen slowly. They copy. They repeat. You can do the same thing. Here is a simple practice you can do today. Find a quiet moment, about 10 minutes. Put on your headphones if you have them. You may close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Listen to this audio again from the beginning. Do not worry about remembering everything. Just listen. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pauses. If you do this, you are practicing correctly. That is real progress. Now let's talk about shadowing, even if you feel shy. Shadowing means repeating what you hear almost at the same time. You can speak out loud. You can whisper. Or you can repeat silently in your mind. All of these ways are good. If you are walking outside, whisper softly. If you are at home alone, speak out loud. If you are on a bus, repeat in your head. There is no wrong way. The goal is to copy the sounds, the speed, and the feeling of the words. Let's practice together. Listen first. I am learning English. Now you say it. I am learning English. Good job. Listen again. I practice every day. Now you try. I practice every day. You stayed with the practice. That is what matters. Shadowing helps your mouth feel comfortable with English sounds. Some sounds may not exist in your language. Your mouth needs to learn new shapes. Shadowing is like exercise for your mouth. At first, it may feel strange. That is okay. Keep going. Let's practice a few more sentences, very slowly. Listen first, then repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you try. I listen to English every day. Next one. I speak slowly and clearly. Your turn. I speak slowly and clearly. One more. Listen first. I am getting better every week. Now you try. I am getting better every week. Well done! You completed the practice. Even if it felt difficult, you stayed with it, and that matters. Here is another simple activity you can try today. Later, when you have 5 minutes, stand in front of a mirror. Play this audio again. As you repeat the sentences, watch your mouth. You do not need to be perfect. Just notice how your lips and tongue move. This helps your brain connect sound with movement. It makes speaking feel more natural. Try this tonight before bed. It is a small habit, but it makes a big difference. Now let's move to the next idea, listening without pressure. One common mistake learners make is trying to understand every single word. This creates stress. Your brain gets tired. And learning stops feeling enjoyable. Instead, try this. Listen for the main idea. Listen for the feeling. Listen for a few important words. Do not worry about the rest. Let me give you an example. If I say, "Yesterday I went to the market and I bought some fresh vegetables for dinner." Maybe you did not hear every word. But you heard, yesterday, market, vegetables, dinner. That is enough. You understood the idea. That is successful listening. When you practice slow listening and shadowing, give yourself permission to miss things. It is okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. Confusion means your brain is working. If you feel tired after 10 minutes, stop. Rest. Come back tomorrow. Slow is good. Slow builds a strong foundation. Let's practice a few more sentences. This time, focus on the feeling, not every word. Listen. I feel calm when I practice English. Now you say it. I feel calm when I practice English. Next one. Listening is easier when I relax. Your turn. Listening is easier when I relax. Last one. I don't need to be perfect. Now repeat. I don't need to be perfect. You tried every sentence. That effort is building your skills. Here is something easy you can do while walking or cooking. Play English audio in the background. It can be this video, another easy English video, or a learner-friendly podcast. Do not focus too hard. Just play. Your brain will naturally absorb the rhythm and sounds. Try this for 15 minutes, 3 or 4 times this week. You will notice improvement without forcing it. Now let's talk about repeating the same audio. Many learners think they must always listen to something new. But repeating the same audio is actually very powerful, especially at the beginning. Here is why. The first time, your brain hears the sounds. The second time, you notice some words. The third time, you understand more meaning. The fourth time, shadowing feels easier. The fifth time, it feels natural. This is how your brain learns, through repetition and familiarity. So do not feel bad about listening to the same audio again and again. That is not a weakness. That is how real learning happens. That is exactly what you should do. Now, let's practice some useful everyday sentences. These are simple sentences you can use in real life. Listen first, then repeat slowly. Good morning. How are you? Now you try. Good morning. How are you? Next one. I'm fine, thank you. Now you say it. I'm fine, thank you. Another one. What's your name? Repeat after me. What's your name? One more. Nice to meet you. Now you try. Nice to meet you. Great work. Even simple sentences are real English practice. Here is a small action you can take this week. Choose one short sentence from this audio. For example, I am learning English. Or, I practice every day. Say that sentence 10 times every morning. Say it out loud or quietly. Say it while brushing your teeth. Say it while making coffee. Repeat it until it feels natural. This builds confidence. It trains your mouth. It helps English feel normal in your daily life. Now let's talk about building a listening habit that feels easy. The best way to improve English is to practice a little every day. Not 3 hours once a week. Just 10 or 15 minutes daily. Consistency is more important than time. Think of it like watering a plant. A little water every day keeps it healthy. Too much water once a week does not help. English is the same. Small daily practice is the secret. So how do you make this a habit? Choose a specific time. Maybe in the morning with your coffee. Maybe at night before bed. Maybe during your commute. Connect English practice to something you already do. This makes it easier to remember. And here is the most important part. Do not make it hard. Do not tell yourself you must study grammar or memorize many words. Just listen. Just repeat a few sentences. Keep it light. Keep it enjoyable. If you enjoy it, you will continue. If it feels like work, you will stop. Let's practice a few final sentences together. These sentences are about your learning journey. Listen and repeat. I am a good learner. Say it with me. I am a good learner. Next one. I improve a little every day. Your turn. I improve a little every day. Another one. English is becoming easier. Repeat. English is becoming easier. Last one. I believe in myself. Now you try. I believe in myself. You stayed with this practice until the end. That shows commitment. Here is one last simple action for today. Tonight, before you sleep, think of one English word you practiced today. Just one word. Say it quietly 3 times. That's all. This small habit tells your brain that English is important. It keeps learning active, even while you rest. Now let me share a 7-day challenge for you. This challenge will help you build a slow listening and shadowing habit. It is simple and realistic. Day 1 and Day 2. Listen to this audio once each day. Just listen. Do not worry about repeating everything. Walk, relax, or rest while listening. Day 3 and Day 4. Listen again. This time, shadow 5 or 6 easy sentences. Repeat them quietly or out loud. Take your time. Day 5 and Day 6. Listen again and shadow as many sentences as you feel comfortable with. Notice how much easier it feels than Day 1. Day 7. Celebrate. Listen to the full audio and shadow along as much as you can. Notice your progress. Notice how your mouth feels more relaxed. Notice your confidence. You can do this challenge while walking, cooking, folding laundry, or waiting for the bus. English practice does not need to stop your life. It can fit into your life. Thank you for spending this time with me today. You showed up. You listened. You tried. That is enough. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. It is about showing up again and again. You are doing better than you think. Every time you listen, your brain grows stronger. Every time you repeat, your mouth learns more. Keep going. Keep practicing. I will be here whenever you need a calm, slow practice session. You are not alone in this journey. Take a deep breath. You are doing just fine. You stayed until the end, and that matters more than you realize. That tells me you are serious about learning, even when it feels slow. Remember this. English is not learned in one day. It grows quietly, one listen, one sentence, one breath at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to return tomorrow. If this practice helped you feel calmer and more confident, like the video, save it, and come back again. Your future English is built by small moments like this. I'll be here whenever you need a slow, peaceful place to practice. Until next time, take a deep breath. You're learning. You're improving. And you're doing just fine.